This is the Gerber dime 12-in-1 multi-tool. It's small enough where I can keep it on my keychain at all times. It's nice to have a multi-tool on me without even thinking about it. This has 12 multi-tools in here, starting from, let's go start from this side. So you have a bottle opener here. You have a flathead screwdriver. You have a Phillips screwdriver. It's not really a Phillip, but this works on Phillip heads. On the other side, you have a small pair of scissors. You have a blade. And this one is my favorite. It's the box cutter. I tend to use this the most. And one more, you have your tweezers here. I've had to use these a few times as well. But this is pretty awesome to have with you at all times. Oh, don't forget pliers.